Um, what's up, YouTube? Next episode 2 on the E280 Mercedes E280 W211 chassis. This is the rear bumper, and this was supplied by the previous owner with the car, and we're gonna open it up and check if it's the correct bumper and the same color, and if it's in okay condition. So here we go. Problem, guys, problem. As you can see, this is the normal bumper. This is not a sport one, and we need a sport one for our exhaust tips. And you can also tell that this bumper wasn't carefully chosen, as it has just rear sensors on the bumper, and we do not have that option on our car. But what also comes with this bumper is all the brackets and everything. Well, most of the brackets, I hope so, fingers crossed. At least we can use the brackets. We're hoping to put the bumper on today and upload the video today or tomorrow, but it looks like it's going to be delayed until we get the correct bumper. Here's the bumper. Okay, here are the cutter. It seems like it does have some sort of trim piece, which this side is intact. Is it intact on the other side? No, it's broken. Broken. Okay, so that means that we can cut out. So a little update. We went to the old bumper, we checked it out, and then we're looking around the bumper at the trim pieces. The right side we have the full trim piece, and the left side we only have half of it. But what we saw on the back of the bumper, that there was these, can you see these arrows? There was those arrows, which means that there was markings on the bumper for the cutout, so we don't need to get a replacement bumper. What we're going to do is just cut this bumper. Over here we will show you the process of how to cut it, make it neat, and yep, that's this bumper turned into a sports bumper and ready to be put on. We had the new shape Corsa. We need the front bumper. We bought a front bumper, and the guy told us at Vauxhall dealership that there's these holes, the markings for the sensor, so you can punch the holes and install the sensors. Okay, so as you can see, we have this. It's for wood. It's to cut holes in wood. It's called flat wood cut or something like that. We got this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna punch some holes like this, not on the edge but near enough. Yeah, we're gonna punch the holes. Then we bought this from Tool Stations for $4.99, and using the red one, or maybe other ones, but we'll see. We'll start off with the red one, and we're gonna grind our way towards the edge and make a smooth, nice finish. By no means is this professional or the way you should do it, but we can't find the equipment. We do have the equipment in our shed. It's getting dark now. We want to put the bumper on the car. So what we're gonna do is just do this and then just make it nice and neat, just to show you guys that it can be done, and it can be done to look professional. Okay, so I've punched one hole in the middle just to test it out, and it works. It's a bit slow, but it works. And as you can see, if you need holes for your sensors, you can buy an ordinary bumper. Use the markings on the back. Make sure before you buy the bumper there's the markings, but I'm pretty sure on all of the bumpers they have the markings, and yep, you can get the holes and use that. Let me show you. Use one of these to make it look nice and smooth from the outside. So we'll show you the next one. Do it back there. You can always grind away, but you can't add material. As you see, it's just that simple. Once we've gone through a couple, and we show you how to grind away and get towards close to the edge. Now what we'll do is not get 100% to the edge. Okay, so as you can see here, it's an ugly mess right now, but we are far from the line. Now I'm going to show you that we can grind it away, and with grinding away we'll make it look nice and neat. Guys, it's a bit more difficult. It's let's say labor intensive and takes a bit more time, but that's how you save money and that's how you flip cars. And if you want to make some profit, you have to put in the work.